Some ice spills across the shore. Waves keep knocking like before. Shoes off, toes in the sand. Nothing here, we got a plan. Radio low, windows wide. Wanna dancing with the tide. Every breath feels light and true, like the sky just opened up. All the noise is far behind, just the ocean and our minds. If this moment slips away, I'll remember how it felt to stay. We're chasing nothing, letting go, watching all the colors flow. Every heartbeat soft and slow, under this blue horizon glow. No rush, no place to be, just to see you and me. Hold this calm, don't let it run. We're glowing in the open sun. Salt and hair in someone's skin, laughing like we always win. Footprints fading in the phone. Happy with you's close to home. Clouds drift by without a sound. Time forgets to pin us down. If tomorrow calls our names, we'll let it wait another day. Every ways, just take your time. Every breath feels so alive. Nothing heavy, not their own, just a place where we belong. We're chasing nothing, letting go, watching all the colors flow. Every heartbeat soft and slow, under this blue horizon glow. No rush, no place to be, just to see you and me. Hold this calm, don't let it run. We're glowing in the open sun. Maybe someday life gets loud, pulls us back into the crowd. But tonight the stars agree, this is how it's meant to be. Close our eyes, feel the sun. Every fear's just drifting down. Restless peace don't ever last. At least we felt it while it passed. Hear the tide moving slow. Feel the light, let it in, let it go. how this way begins. Soft and bright, the reasons why we fell in love with sea and sky.